We have some new fun Firefly models to play around with.
Yeah, it took you coming on here so we could be the first to show you some of these new things with Image Model 5 in Firefly. If you notice here, when you come to your new screen, you've got this edit image area right here. So here's what it's promising. Better generative photorealistic stuff, better images, more natural realistic kind of tones when it comes to skin, people, typography, you name it. And they're also saying a lot more sharper clarity, which is kind of cool. So here I put in photorealistic close-up portrait of a woman, candid expression, soft afternoon light. Look at that. I mean, this is pretty dang good. I mean, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see like there is some, look at that detail. Look at the sun going into the hair here. This here, I don't think I've seen an AI photography-based generative thing with this amount of like realism, and the lighting to me feels like something maybe I would have taken. Look at this one. Wow. This came out great. So this is a group of friends riding bicycles through a sunny beach boardwalk at golden hour.
We got some depth of field, you know?
Wow. Look at the little sunglasses over here hanging off the basket. So let's try another one. We got this one. This is a photorealistic scene of 5 coworkers collaborating around a table. Man, check it out. I really do see a lot of improvements here. This looks really good. Look at the sketches.
I think I'd almost want to add like a little bit more grain and make it feel even. Like the photo feels like almost too perfect.
Right? Let's try it. I have the reference shot of that in there automatically. I didn't even have to do anything. So I just said add some slight grain to this image. Let's see what happens here. And now here it is with the grain. Now this is what we wanted to try. It promised better typography. So I wrote chalkboard sign that clearly reads fresh roasted coffee open daily. I'm going to see if we could change the actual image. I said chalkboard sign that clearly reads office hours every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Okay, here he is, guys. Come on. The line breaks are good.
We got the font. Let's go.
We're going to try some of the new generative features here. I'm opening up with this beautiful image here of the park. What you have now is these tools over here on the side. I can go right back to prompt if I want, but I also have Generative Fill, remove, expand, upscale, and then obviously remove background. So what it's doing is it's kind of giving you some of the top features that you would go to Photoshop for. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of like draw a little bit of a shape here. But what I can also do is I can actually add my reference image to it. So by here, I'm going to click on device. Here, I've got this little picture of like an ice cream cart. And in the prompt, we can say add the ice cream cart to the image, and we'll hit fill. Not bad, huh? I'm really impressed.
Wow. This is the most futuristic car I've ever seen in my life.
I want to add a robot to this. Add from device. We got an image of a robot here. Pretty cool, huh? I'm going to say add robot sitting in this chair. Whoa, check it out.
Wow,
So cool.
Let's go.
It did a great job. What if we needed something ultra wide? We needed something more like this. How many times do you need like that wide image for the top of a banner? You just want plenty of room on one side to add some type or some text. That's looking pretty good. I gotta admit, we all know the job market. We all know if you're a young creative coming out of school and going into the real world, it's very difficult to stand out. And I think what they're getting is they're getting these like agency level visuals to add to their portfolios. And guess what they're doing? You credit it. You say this was done in Adobe Firefly. It saved us countless hours and we got exactly what the creative brief wanted.
We'll catch you next time.
Peace, y'all. Later.